I am a huge fan of Harry Potter, and Edinburgh has a strong connection to the wizarding world. Our program has a lot of guest lectures, and the company visits really makes me understand how it works in the real world. The staff here is really helpful, especially my personal tutor. He gave me a lot of useful advice, not only for my career direction, but also for my personal development. I really appreciate that. Whenever I feel tired, I will come to the meadows just outside the school to take some time to read with a cup of coffee. It's really relaxing. Edinburgh is referred as the birthplace for Harry Potter, where J.K. Rowling has wrote the Harry Potter series. There are lots of shops where I could play the wand and being a wizard for a short time. One of the places that I like most would be the Carlton Hill. I always come there with my friends to take some photos of the whole city. The business school has equipped me with not only the academic knowledge, but also a lot of confidence. Now I think I'm more prepared than before for my career and for my future.